Okay, today we're playing Halo Reach, and we built this ramp, and it goes off this like skyscraper thing, and we're gonna see if we can survive.
Oh! Are you still alive?
Oh yeah!
Oh!
That was beast. That was beast.
Let's get back up there and let me try.
Okay. Going bottom screen. Yeah, back it up so you can get some speed. That's good. No! I survived. I failed. That was funny. I'm alive. You're dead. I'm alive. You're dead. Thanks for watching.